Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to disable dark mode on the Messenger app. If you've been using Messenger and want to switch back to the classic light theme, this updated guide will help you do just that in no time. First, start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon. This is usually represented by your profile picture or 3 horizontal lines, depending on your device and app version. Tap on this menu to access more options. Next, scroll through the menu until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open the app's Customization and Preferences panel. This is where you control how Messenger looks and behaves. Inside Settings, you'll see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Dark Mode. Tap on Dark Mode to open the theme settings. Here, you'll have the option to toggle dark mode on or off. To disable dark mode, simply select Off. This will immediately switch Messenger back to the light theme, giving you that bright, classic look you're used to. If you change your mind later, you can always come back and turn dark mode back on. And that's all there is to it. Disabling dark mode on Messenger is quick and easy, and now you know exactly where to find the setting. Whether you prefer a brighter screen during the day or just want to switch things up, toggling dark mode off is just a few taps away. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you next time.